Hi, I'm Tadao of Madatsukaerude. Madatsukaerude is Japanese meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today I'm gonna show my struggle, a little bit of a struggle of 68 Baja Bug. My Baja Bug engine actually coffees at around 1500 or 2000, and also the idle got a little bit unstable, and I heard more backfire or maybe detonation. I don't know, but I thought it's something to do with the adjustment of the carburetor. Also carburetor is clogged. Also I replaced the coil and I cleaned the spark plugs, but it's got a little bit better, but I don't know if I really fixed everything or not, but I'm gonna show you what I did. Okay, so this is the coil I got. I decided to upgrade the coil, so this is higher voltage, I think, and it's a 40,000 volt ignition coil. So there is some certain procedure to check if this guy gonna fit to my current bug, and so I'm gonna follow that, and it looks like I have to double check the resistance of the coil. So I connected the negative to the ground and the positive to the coil, and I'm gonna turn on the switch and then see if it's 12 volts or not. It's 10 volts, 12 volts ish. I think it's fine, so there's no resistor in it. So what I'm gonna do is remove these the connectors and then remove the coil and replace it. Okay, so I only have green wires on the negative side. Two of them, and all the others will be in the positive. So I'm gonna remove this guy. So these are the positive side. Okay. Then I just remove that clamp. Okay, it's removed. Okay, I'm gonna remove this clamp. Okay, I just loosened this thing. I had to hold this nut though, it's square nut, but just remove this. Okay, remove. Looks like this guy was originally the blue one. I think made in Germany, blue Bosch thing. And I'm gonna put new one, and it said this side is positive and this side is negative, so I have to put this like this, but I'm gonna clean this guy a little bit. Okay, I just put the previous clamp. Unfortunately this clamp just fit, so I'm gonna put this guy. This old terminal from the old the coil. this might be English. So this guy was English side. Okay, let's put the terminals. Alright, so it's connected. Let's turn on the motor. Well, as you heard, I think the situation is the same, but next step is to check the I think the spark plug. Probably it's they just when it's not too bad, but I think it's not really smooth. The idle was not really that smooth, and I believe I could do the idle fuel adjustment one more time, but it looks like it's the symptom is some like a coughing. It's like a slight misfire or something. That's actually slightly slow downs the RPM and it recovers something like that. So I think I'm gonna check the spark plug. So this is the number one spark plug. I expected like very black suit, but it's not. I don't think it's bad. I think it's okay. So I'm gonna use this on the threads so that you're not gonna seize. Okay, just a little bit. I'll check all the other three plugs. So this is the number 2. Actually it's a little bit black, so I think the one time I ran the motor a little bit too rich, so that's why I got it's still hot. I got this black suit. I think I'm gonna clean this a little bit. Okay, I cleaned it a little bit. A little bit dark. Okay, I'm gonna clean it. Okay, I use the sandpaper to clean this. I didn't want to screw up the gap, but I just sanded between the gap and the electrode, and and try to remove the carbon deposit. I put the anti-seize grease and put it back. Okay, let's turn on the motor. I adjusted the mixture a little bit again, and I think it got a little bit better, but I still hear many the backfire or it's detonation maybe. So something is not going well, but it's not really that critical at this moment. I'm gonna do my research a little bit more and try to fix this, but today I'm gonna finish this video here. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.